Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. Today we're going to jump into another GTO Trainer session. We're playing on the Simple GTO Trainer, and we're going to play once again the drill mode, a spot BB versus button NTT spot on a 50 big blind stacks, and this is 3-bet pot C betting. We played this 25 hands last time, and we had really low, really great EV score. So I just wanna play it once again to see if this drill mode is just like that, or not, pretty much. So I just wanna try it out once again. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So we're on the BB now with pocket tens, and the board is 9 ace king. I think we're not shoving here at all. We are doing something like 66% betting. That was good. 33% calling, and GTO would actually do more betting, 81%, and would just check 18.5%. So good to know. Now we have ace king off on a deuce tray 6. Again, this shove option is actually probably never an option, maybe sometimes. And now we have ace king on a deuce tray 6. We're gonna gonna probably once again go like 20-80 here, and the solver is C betting 100% with ace king. Okay, pocket queens on a 5-8-6. Is that 100%? It's not. We should C bet 11% here. We should check 11% here. Jack 8 on a deuce 9-7. This is probably around 20% check. It's not. This is 100% C bet. Okay. Ace 3 on a deuce 8-10. All hearts. That's gotta be 100%, right? It's not. It's actually 80% check. Huh. You can see the EV difference is 0. But the solver likes to check here with this hand 80% of the time and bet only 20. Okay, pocket aces on a queen 8. We're gonna check here, I think, quite a bit of the time, maybe 35%, no, maybe not that much, maybe 20%. And once again, we miss quite a bit. The solver's only checking here 4% of the time. King 10 off on a tray 5 jack with 2 hearts on the big blind. We're gonna C bet this hand. Yeah, I would say 4 out of 5 times. But the solver is C betting 100% with this. Okay. Pocket 7s on a tray 5 jack. %10 check. Pretty close, 13% check with pocket 7s on this board. King queen suited on a 4-7-6. That's probably a higher percentage check, so I'm gonna go with 25%. But it may be 100%. Wow, it's 100% check. Okay. All right. 100% check. King queen suited on a 4-7-6 with 1 diamond. Pocket tens on a tray 5 ace. It's gotta be a c-bet. Maybe we check 10%. Do we? No. It's a c-bet 100% of the time. Ace 6 off on a 4 ace deuce. Yeah, I think that's 100% or not. This is actually 45-55. Surprising. Yep, pocket tens on a 9-jack-4 with 2 hearts. We're gonna do I think 100%. And the solver's doing 13% checking here. 8-7 off on an ace 9-9. I think that's 100%, right? It is. King 7 off on an 8-10-9. That's like 35-65. Oh, the solver is actually shoving here 65% of the time. It's c-betting 22 and checking 14. That's interesting. Yeah. Ace deuce off on a 6-6 jack. We're gonna do 15% check here. And it should be 100% instead. Queen jack on a 5-8 ace. Is that like a... Is that like 100%? It's not. It should be 33% check. Interesting, because a board like that, our equity is not great. Pocket aces on 5-8-6 with 2 hearts. That's I guess 100%. It's a majority check. 73% check, 27% continue. Guess it makes sense, but still the board is too straighty flushy for me to want to give it free card. But the solver thinks differently. Pocket sevens on 8-8-10. That's gonna be 100%. It's not. Solver is checking here 13% of the time. King 4 on a 7-10 ace. Let's leave 10%. Maybe we will heat it. Wow, it's 61% check. Interesting. Ace queen suited on a 4-6 ace. We're gonna, I think, check 20% of the time. Surprisingly here, the solver is continuing 100%. Just super weird, if you ask me. I mean, we've got ace queen. Pocket eights on a 7-10 deuce. We're gonna check 13% and it's gonna be on spot. This time it's 100%. I don't know. I think I'm not good at these frequencies. Pocket aces on a queen, queen 8. Is that going to be 15% check? Yeah, close enough. Pocket sixes on ace, ace, ace. Is that a 50-50? Oh, it's actually 12 to 88. Pocket sixes here. King, queen off on a 4-6-9. We're gonna, I think, check a decent amount of time here, 35%. It's a bad 100%. Oh well. Pocket tens on jack, queen 5. We're gonna do 15% check. And it should be close to 46-54. Okay. We've played 25 hands. We can see our EV loss is, minimal. Minus 0.27. So it's, not really even countable or whatever. I think we're gonna not play these drills because as you can see, it's a little bit like, well, it is essentially guessing, and we are more or less on point here, but it doesn't really give us any viable or, I don't know, countable results or tips on how to improve our game. So I think we're gonna drop this one, and I think we're gonna play maybe the 100 BB cutoff versus big blind single raised pot. That could be interesting. What do you guys think? Should we play this one next? Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you staying this long. I mean, this actually hasn't been that long. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you would like to see some different GTO spots that we've played in the past, you can check them out in the description of this video. We've already played, I think, a few different spots, and we've played them on the WPT GTO Trainer. Now we're trying out the Simple GTO Trainer, and I think after I've tried out this Simple GTO Trainer, I'm gonna also try out some other software. I was looking at Snowy, and it may also be a good idea to play with them. Maybe try and find the one that feels right and allows us to practice our game in the best possible way. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you then. Bye. You want to learn how to play poker? Great. You have little or no experience playing poker? No problem. Do you want to learn the fundamentals, the most basic principles that allow you to easily win money when playing with casual players? That's perfect, because this course was created specifically for people like you. My name is Mateusz. I've played over 3 million hands of No Limit Texas Hold'em, and I'd like to teach you how to play poker like a pro. What you will learn in this course are the fundamentals, the ABC of poker, condensed into 21 short and easily digestible lectures. In each lecture, you will learn a different concept which you can test out and practice immediately after watching. Well, do you want to become a good poker player? Do you want to be able to beat recreational players easily? Do you want to have a great time winning at your local home games? Great! Get this course now and start winning at poker.